is the only planet having vast diversity of life. This is because Earth has relatively stable temperature. What exactly is making the Earth such a favorable place to live in? It is because of the greenhouse effect. Have you seen a greenhouse in a nursery? A greenhouse is a glass building in which the plants that require protection from the cold weather are kept. The glass cover helps to trap all the heat energy and keep the inside environment warm. The greenhouse effect works much the same way on the Earth. Gases in the atmosphere such as carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and water vapor trap heat similar to the glass roof of a greenhouse. These heat-trapping gases are called greenhouse gases. The trapped radiations keep the Earth warm. Without this process, life would not have been possible on the Earth. But now it threatens life. This is because of the excess of carbon dioxide in the air. We know that plants utilize carbon dioxide from the atmosphere for photosynthesis, thereby decreasing the amount of carbon dioxide in the air. But because of the deforestation, the amount of carbon dioxide in the air is increasing day by day. Too much of greenhouse gases can cause Earth's atmosphere to trap more and more heat. As a result, the average temperature of the Earth's atmosphere is gradually increasing. This is called global warming. Global warming can cause sea levels to rise dramatically. Global warming could also cause frequent droughts, heavier rainfall, and more powerful hurricanes. Global warming has become a major concern for governments worldwide. Many countries have reached an agreement to reduce the emission of greenhouse gases. The Kyoto Protocol is one such agreement. Also, people bathe, wash clothes in the river. They also throw garbage, flowers, idols of gods and goddesses, and non-biodegradable polythene bags into the river. Pesticides and weedicides used for the protection of crops dissolve in water and are washed into water bodies from the fields. They also seep into the ground to pollute groundwater. Have you seen ponds which look green from a distance? This is because they have a lot of algae growing in them. This is caused by excessive quantities of chemicals which get washed from the fields. These act as nutrients for algae to flourish. Once these algae die, they serve as food for decomposers like bacteria. A lot of oxygen in the water body gets used up. This results in a decrease in the oxygen level, which may kill aquatic organisms. Water which is suitable for drinking is called potable water. Water which looks clean may still have disease-carrying microorganisms and dissolved impurities. So, it is essential to purify water before drinking, for example by boiling. Municipal bodies treat the water before supplying it to households. Let us see how water can be made safe for drinking. Many households use boiling as a method for obtaining safe drinking water. Boiling kills the germs present in the water. Chlorination is a commonly used chemical method for purifying water. It is done by adding chlorine tablets or bleaching powder to the water. But using more chlorine tablets is also harmful for health. Laws for industrial units should be strictly implemented so that polluted water is not disposed of directly into rivers and lakes. Water treatment plants should be installed in all industrial areas. At our individual levels, we should consciously save water and not waste it. Reduce, reuse, and recycle should be our mantra. For example, water used for washing vegetables may be used to water plants in the garden. Pollution is no longer a distant phenomenon. It is affecting the quality of our daily lives. Unless we all realize our responsibility and start using environment-friendly processes, the very survival of our planet is in danger.